Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to share any YouTube video links with specific watch time. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So for this, first you need to open YouTube applications. So in YouTube applications, we'll select one particular video. Say in my case I will be selecting my own video from my YouTube channel. So here you can see I have a video. So once it starts playing, you can see here the timing. So what I will do is I'll just select this one, like the timing will be 150. So I want my friend or to whom I am sharing this YouTube video link directly view from this watch time, that is 1.50, say from 1.1 minute 50 seconds. So what I will do for this is, you can see here above the share symbol, just tap on it and you can click on this copy link, just click on it. Now your link is copied. So now next what I need to do is say I want to send this YouTube video tutorial link to one of my friends. So in my case I'm just sending to one of my friends in Telegram. So what I will do is, you can see here, say I'll just paste it here, the YouTube video link. So now what you need to do next is, on the last line you need to add something. Say here what you need to type is a question mark, type T, that is for the time, type equal sign, and now in my case the timing of that watch time which I am going to send is 1 minute 50 seconds. So for this I will type 0 1, and for minute I will type M, and for seconds, like in my case 50, so I will be typing 50, and for seconds you need to type yes. So once you are done, you can directly send that link to your friend. So once your friend click this YouTube video link, then it will start playing from the time, as you can see, 1.50, as you can see. So in this way you can share any YouTube video links with specific watch time. So I'm sure you're gonna like it, and if you have not known, then definitely you should try it out by yourself. And this tutorial will work even in your computer or any smartphones, whether you are using iPhones also it will work, whether you are using a tablet. So in that case, if you're using a computer, just go to www.youtube.com and select the video, copy paste the YouTube video tutorial links, and in the end of that YouTube video link you just type the same what I have did in this video. So if you find this video information useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.